Morning students. Today our topic is condition of India on the eve of independence. This means ki what was the condition of India during independence. So was it a, you could say ki developed economy, or it was developing economy, or the condition of India was very bad. India was a backward economy at that particular time. So for discussing the condition of India, we will first learn about the different sectors of Indian economy. What was the impact of British rule, because at that particular time Britishers were there in India. They used to rule India. So we are going to discuss about what was the impact of Britishers on our different sectors, or you could say ki what was the impact of Britishers on agriculture sector, industrial sector, foreign sector, demographic sector, or you could say infrastructure sector. So discussing with you, we have already discussed in our previous classes. Agriculture sector I have discussed, industrial sector yesterday I discussed. Now today we will be discussing about foreign trade sector. So our today's topic is discussing about foreign trade sector, and we'll be quickly doing a demographic profile also today. So what is if we talk about foreign trade sector, what do you mean by foreign trade? First of all, yes, foreign trade. What is the meaning of this term, foreign trade? Sorry, what is the meaning of this term, foreign trade? Yes children, think once again. Foreign means related to outside world, or you could say ki related to other countries. Foreign means related to other countries. So foreign trade means the trade done with the other countries. So children, under foreign trade, the main thing which come is imports and exports of a country. Okay, so if we talk about imports and if we talk about exports of a country, what do you mean by imports and exports? Imports means ki anything which is brought to our country from another country, which is brought inside our country, the goods which are brought inside our country, or you could say ki used by our country, and our country is not producing them. Okay, and they are brought and you could say ki brought in our country and are produced in some other country. So they are imported goods. And if we talk about exports, what do you mean by exports? Exports means the raw material India used to export to Britain, as it was already discussed. So exports mean ki India was rich in raw material like silk, handicraft industry, cotton, jute, sugar. So the material which India exported, or you could say ki sent to other countries, and that particular raw material was converted into finished goods in the industry of Britain and brought back to India. So children, we are going to discuss now what was the condition of imports and exports when Britishers used to rule India. When Britishers were there in our country, colonial rule was there. So what was the condition of our foreign trade, that is imports and exports, at that particular time? So first and the key point, I would say, it is restrictive trade policies. So children, our first point is restrictive trade policies. So what do you mean by restrictive? Restrictive means किसी चीज़ के ऊपर बंदिश लगा देना. Okay, to stop, or you could say कि to restrict something. Okay, to restrict something, to put a stop on something, or you could say कि or children, you could say कि these restrictive trade policies for Indians was made by the Britishers to fulfill their own, you could say कि fulfill their own needs and fulfill their aim. Their ultimate aim was to develop Britain, not India. Okay.